The ability to stream music is widespread because to programs like Apple Music and Spotify. However, for true audiophiles, nothing beats the full sound of records playing on a turntable. Because of this, CNET has tested and compiled a list of some of the top record players currently available. Music streaming can't quite compete with the disparity in sound quality. Nothing compares to taking out your favorite vinyl record from its sleeve, putting it on a turntable, and listening to it. In today's video, we are going to show our top 5 best turntables in 2023. We've done intense research for the best products available today, and we've created a list for you to compare price, quality, durability, and performance. If you need more information or you are interested in any of the products, we've put the links below in the description, where you can find the best updated offers and the best prices available. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our reviews. Now, let's get started. 5. Vinyl record player. All-in-one record player, that is, headphone jack, RCA line out, IUX audio input, and Bluetooth input. With Bluetooth wireless technology built into 2 stereo speakers, you can listen to music from your smartphone in style. To play the music directly, use the aux cable input, or connect an external speaker using an RCA cable for better or louder sound. It is a record player with a vinyl turntable. Simple setup and operation, easy to use, great for vinyl enthusiasts. It is a Bluetooth record player with speakers. You can easily listen to your favorite music from a Bluetooth-compatible device, such as a smartphone, thanks to the built-in Bluetooth receiver and 2 stereo speakers. Just connect and play using Bluetooth. It is a portable record player as well. When family members get together, it creates a cozy atmosphere. It can put you at ease while you're alone yourself. It might be one of the finest ornaments in the house even if you don't use it. It also enables the person receiving the gift to feel your heart. 4. Audio Technica. You might appreciate the high-fidelity sound that vinyl records produce. It is a completely automatic turntable that has a belt drive with 2 different speeds. It is a platter composed of anti-resonance, die casting, and aluminum. Both the tonearm base and the head shell have been given a makeover in order to improve tracking and reduce resonance, because it handles AC/DC conversion outside of the chassis. The AC adapter helps to keep the signal chain free of unwanted noise. If you're liking this video and finding this content valuable, please let us know by smashing the like button. If you want to know more interesting gadgets for you, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's go to the top 3 of best turntables in 2023. 3. Victrola Vintage. This portable record player has 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, upgraded premium sound quality, and vibration-free sound isolating feed. It is ideal for your office, bedroom, or living room. Victrola offers you the utmost flexibility to listen to music anywhere you want and however you want thanks to its blend of retro and contemporary style, making it a wonderful option for vinyl aficionados. It's run out of connection possibilities. The Bluetooth speakers embedded into the turntable can play music from a smartphone. Use the dual RCA outputs to quickly connect external speakers or the line input for non-Bluetooth devices like a CD player. Connect your headphones to the headphone jack for private listening. It doesn't have a stereo. Set it up quickly and start using it. This cheap record player is perfect for newcomers and vintage fans because to its retro appearance and current conveniences. It contains an input choose knob, a power/volume knob, and an auto-stop switch that turns off the record player once the record has stopped playing. 2. LP and No 1 vinyl record player. It has a turntable with a 3-speed belt drive. The vinyl collection is played on 3,313, 45, and 78 RPM. The vinyl record speed can be taken into consideration when choosing the rotation speed. When the record ends, it can be set to automatically cease using the auto-stop setting. It has a Bluetooth turntable that is wireless. You may wirelessly stream music from your phone, tablet, or other smart device thanks to the built-in Bluetooth receiver. So you don't have to worry if you don't have enough albums. When in BT mode, 2 external speakers function as Bluetooth speakers. There's a vinyl player with excellent sound. External speakers have better audio quality and deliver full, authentic, and live vinyl audio, which produces stereo imaging sound. As you listen to vinyl music, you'll become more at ease and at home. It is an easy-to-use vinyl player. After taking it out of the box, you may start listening right away thanks to its simple setup and operation. Excellent, perfect for a novice. When not in use, the detachable hinge dust cover safeguards your record and won't interfere with playback. 1. Victrola Nostalgic. With retro exterior styling and contemporary interior features, you may choose how you want to listen via vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, or the 3.5mm aux/headphone jack. No other tools are needed. Set it up quickly and start using it. This record player is a terrific value and is perfect for both novices and vintage fans because of its retro appearance and current technology's convenience. This record player has 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM, and upgraded premium sound quality with less vibrations. It is a terrific option for vinyl fans and is ideal for your living room, bedroom, or office. Utilize the RCA line outputs to extend the sound by attaching external speakers or an amplifier, cable included. Connect your headphones to the headphone jack for private listening. The product links are below in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.